Hey everyone, this is Drew at Headset Advisor, and today we're going to go through two of the most common troubleshooting steps with your Plantronics CS520 wireless headset. So let's get into that right now. Alright, here we have the CS520, and if your headset was working great and all of a sudden stopped working, these two troubleshooting steps may fix the issue that you're experiencing. Whether you have static, echo, distortion, your headset all of a sudden was working great, you came in the office on Monday and it stopped working properly. These two troubleshooting tips may help resolve the issue, and for any reason it doesn't help, feel free to leave us a comment with your issue and we'll be more than glad to get back to see if we can find a solution for you. Otherwise, contact us here at Headset Advisor and we'll be more than happy to help you out further. As well, if this video was helpful by the end of it, please hit the like and subscribe for more videos like this, and we would greatly appreciate you. All right, so troubleshooting tip number one is a full reset. Unplug the AC power, and then inside of the headset, not the charging base, is a battery. What we're gonna do is on the side with the microphone, we wanna remove this rubber flap. So once you remove this rubber flap, there's a battery housed in there. Sometimes it can be a little tight inside of the case, so you may need a paper clip or something to be able to fish the battery out. So I'm just gonna take my fingers here and I'm gonna get the battery out. And as you can see, there's some wires. What I do is I just disconnect the battery from the headset, leave the battery sitting right there. That way it goes back in the same way it came out. So go ahead and wait 10 seconds, replug the battery in. It's pretty small, so we want to make sure we get the right connection. All right, so you plug it in, put the cord and battery back inside the headset, put the rubber flap back over, place your headset in the charging base, and then we're going to want to reconnect the AC power. So plug in the AC power in the back of the base. And then what you're looking for is if the battery light on the charging base comes on, that's a good sign. If the battery light doesn't come on, it could mean that it's time for you to replace your battery. So if you've never replaced your battery, or it's been many years since you've replaced your battery, then a great place to start would be ordering a new battery and seeing if that's the fix. In the description of this video, there's going to be a link to the compatible battery for you to order if that is your case. So troubleshooting tip number one is a full reset. That fixes a number of different issues, not only cases where the battery is no longer charging, it fixes issues like static, bad sound quality. Sometimes the headset just needs a good reboot and then you're back in business. It's almost like a computer. Once you restart the computer, something's not working fine on the computer, you restart the computer, then before you know it, everything is back and working like it should. So tip number one is full reset. Tip number two is getting your settings back to the default. Sometimes, who knows what happens when you leave for the weekend, you come in on Monday, all of a sudden the headset's not working properly, or the sound quality is bad. So first, you want to go to the bottom of the charging base and you're going to see an A through G switch. This is going to be your compatibility dial. In 9 out of 10 cases, you want this on setting A. If you use a Cisco phone, you may want this on setting D as in Delta. So keep that in mind. In most cases, it's going to be A or D. So number one, set this to A. Number two, on to the right, we have our microphone and speaker setting. If these go to the max volume, I can tell you, you are going to run into distortion, echo, bad sound quality issues that you won't want to deal with. So you want to set both of these as a standard to 2. It also depends on the make and model of phone you're connecting to. Sometimes you want to play around with those dials until you get the right setting for your microphone and speaker. But in most cases, if you're on setting 2 for the microphone and speaker on the bottom of the charging base here, that's a great place to start. And then you can adjust the volume on your headset as well as your desk phone to really fine tune the sound. In many cases, customers go through readjusting the controls here, and then it fixes their sound quality issues. If you continue to have echo or static or anything like that, then the next step you'd want to do is go to your desk phone, adjust the desk phone volume down to say 50%. You don't want your desk phone volume at 100%. Leave it at around 50 to 75% volume, and then use your headset to further adjust your hearing between different calls. Some people are on a cell phone, other people talk very quiet. From there, just use your volume on the headset, and that should resolve any future issues of you experiencing echo or bad sound quality. All right, so that's it for today. Those are the two most common troubleshooting steps for your Plantronics CS520. But if this didn't fix your issue, as I mentioned earlier on, let us know in the comments or contact us at Headset Advisor, and we'll be more than happy to help you out further. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.